to draw a cute crab with me? Now let's draw with me. Hi, my little artists. Let's draw it step by step. First, let's draw the eyes. Two round eyes. Great job! Now draw a curved line inside each eye for the pupils. Nice! Next, add the shiny dots in both eyes. These are the shiny sparkles in the eyes, and now, color the space around the little circles black. Wow, so shiny! Now draw a small mouse. Our crab looks happy now. I'll next draw a big oval for the body. Good job! Now draw a half circle inside the body for the tummy. Let's add the eyelashes to the eyes. Now draw the right claw. Big and strong. Next, draw the left claw. Awesome! Now draw 3 legs on the right side. 1, 2, 3. Next, draw 3 legs on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! draw some small ovals on the body. Nice! Next, draw the lines under the tummy. Almost done! Color the crab red. Make it bright and fun! Color the tummy light yellow or cream. And done! Your crab looks amazing! See you next time. Bye-bye!
See you in the next videos! I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye!